Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Do you find comfort reading in a dark mode and you want to set up your Facebook app to dark mode? Worry no more because for today's video, we're gonna learn how to switch your Facebook app to dark mode. The first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone. Click on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Click on that. As you can see it here, there is already an option for dark mode. You just need to click on that and turn it on. And that's it. That's how you turned on dark mode on Facebook app. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!